Welcome to our STP Mini Fancoil function introduction video. The key difference between the STP Mini and the STP Mini Fancoil is the Fancoil control feature allowing precise climate management, which is especially useful in places like hospitals, offices and hotels. The product includes 6 buttons. The center, right and left buttons are used to navigate between menus, while the upper and lower right-left buttons are used to activate or deactivate functions. As shown in the example, touching the upper right button increases the dimmer level while the left one decreases it. If scenes are configured, you can trigger or reverse them using the lower buttons. In the next menu, you can control lighting settings, followed by a menu for curtain and blind controls, which can be opened, stopped and closed by tapping the same button multiple times. Another menu allows control over power outlets, turning them on or off. The lower screen displays your desired room temperature, which can be adjusted using the lower buttons. The larger value on the screen shows the current room temperature, and you can raise or lower the target temperature using the side buttons. Once set, the system begins to adjust the room temperature accordingly. Using the STP Mini Fancoil is truly that easy.